This MU channel will be non-activated and will be moved to a new channel named Manchester United News Update. The link is available at the top, or it can be searched. Thank you. Perfect Cavani replacement. Woodward more secure, 33.3 million £, rated ice cold hotshot. Manchester United could potentially be set to span big on their frontline this summer, with the Red Devils reportedly interested in Eintracht Frankfurt striker Andre Silva. According to Bild, the German outfit are readying themselves for big bids for the forward, specifically from United and Spanish giants Barcelona. Gunnar, Solskjaer and Woodward must make sure they secure the signature of the 33.3 million £, rated hitman. Since breaking through at boyhood club at FC Porto, the 25-year-old has developed a reputation as one of the most talented forwards in European football. But for a somewhat inconsistent period at AC Milan, the Portuguese has continued to thrive, and he is currently in the midst of his most lethal campaign of his career, having netted 24 goals in 35 appearances in all competitions in Germany. As recently as January, Frankfurt boss Adi Hutter compared Silva to Bayern Munich forward Robert Lewandowski, describing him as ice cold in front of goal. Manchester United certainly need a player of such caliber if they want to cut the gap to rivals Manchester City at the top of the Premier League table. It's now been 8 years since Manchester United last won the Premier League crown. Do you remember everything that happened this season? First was the club's most expensive signing that season. It is already rumored that Edinson Cavani could be departing the club after just one season at Old Trafford. Meanwhile, current Red Devils forward Mason Greenwood has not yet found top form in 2020 until 2021, having scored just 5 goals in all competitions. With Marcus Rashford and Anthony Martial candidates for wide positions on each flank, this leaves Solskjaer with limited options at centre forward. Silva's arrival would rectify that conundrum. Valued at £33.5 million in right transfer market, and with 2 years remaining on his current contract at Deutsche Bank Park, it would certainly not be cheap to bring him to Old Trafford. However, his lethality as well as United's pressing need for a striker means that Silva should be a priority signing for the club in the summer.